Master the magic of sentence stress in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into an essential component of English language learning, sentence stress. If you've ever wondered why some words in English sentences sound louder or clearer than others, you're about to find out. Let's decode the mystery of sentence stress and understand how it can make your spoken English sound more natural. To get started, we need to know what sentence stress is. In English, not all words in a sentence are pronounced with the same emphasis. Some words are stressed, meaning they're said more loudly and clearly, while others are unstressed, spoken more quietly or quickly. This pattern is what we call sentence stress. It's crucial in English because it often determines the meaning and comprehension of a sentence. Without sentence stress, our speech would sound flat and robotic. While there are no fixed rules for sentence stress, there are some general patterns we can observe. Typically, content words like nouns, main verbs, adjectives, and adverbs are stressed, while function words such as articles, prepositions, auxiliary verbs, and pronouns are usually unstressed. For example, in the sentence, "I love chocolate ice cream," the words love, chocolate, and ice cream are stressed. Now that we know what sentence stress is and which words are usually stressed, let's get to practice. One way to do this is to read aloud from a book or an article, paying attention to stress the content words and de-emphasize the function words. Another way is to listen to native English speakers, whether that's in movies, songs, or podcasts, and try to mimic their intonation and stress patterns. Don't forget that practice makes perfect. Why is sentence stress so important? Well, the truth is that mastering sentence stress can dramatically improve your English listening and speaking skills. Not only will it make your pronunciation sound more natural, but it can also help you understand native speakers better. Understanding sentence stress can even change the meaning of a sentence. Consider the difference between "I didn't steal the cookies" and "I didn't steal the cookies." The stress on different words changes the meaning. And that's a wrap on sentence stress. We hope this video gives you a deeper understanding of the subject and motivates you to incorporate these insights into your daily English practice. Keep in mind that learning sentence stress is a journey, but it's one that will undoubtedly pay off. Thanks for watching, and keep up the excellent work with your English learning adventure.